Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I just installed these seat jackers from Desert Does It. And I know everybody's been asking, do they actually work? Does it actually make the ride a lot better? And I would say that from my personal experience, they do. They're super easy to install, and I'm gonna walk you through the simple steps of how to put them on your truck, and then you can have a better and more comfortable ride. So like I said, this kit right here is from Desert Does It. This is the name brand, and this is what I wanted to go with, made in the USA. So I would support them, and I have links for this in the video description. But what you're gonna get in the box, it's nicely packaged. They give you the sticker here. You have two heavy duty, well-made seat risers, and then it gives you everything you need. They even give you in the package some thread lock that helps make sure that everything is secure and stays where it needs to be. They give you the bolts that you need and then some basic step-by-step instructions, but these are just some written instructions. So that's why I'm making this video, so I can walk you through the steps. It's really easy. And the only real tools you'll need is a 14 and a 15 millimeter, and that is for the two different bolt sizes on the truck and the ones that they give you. So all these things are really doing is increasing the angle and lifting the front of your seat a little bit so you don't have as much gap or space underneath the bottom of your knees or kind of underneath your thighs, and you actually sit back in your seat a little bit more. It gives you a lot more comfortable ride, a little bit less stress and fatigue on your legs. Because I know anybody like me, I'm 6 foot and I do have my knees up off the seat a little bit, and I've just always thought it just kind of was what it was with a mid-sized truck like this. But with these seat risers, it actually increases that and kind of fills that gap and lets you cradle back in your seat a little bit. I noticed it right away, and I think that it is going to help with those long road trips, and it's going to help with that fatigue while you're driving. So to jump right into this, we're going to use the 14 millimeter and release these two bolts right here in the front. The next thing you're going to do is you want to get these underneath this bracket right here, and all you have to do is push back on the headrest and that lifts this up. You don't have to remove the back bolts, just these two front ones. And then you'll see once you push that seat up, there's a little hole underneath here that there's a pin that goes in. That's where this goes, and then your seat actually bolts into this with the bolts that they provide you, and then your factory bolt goes back in here into the factory mount. Just like that. And that's how easy it is just to get these in place. The next step is putting some of that thread lock here on your factory bolts, and we're gonna put those back into the hole right here. Then we're gonna take the ones that they provided, put a little bit of thread lock on that, then bolt the seat down to this riser. And now that we got the thread lock on, we can put this into place here. Use that 14 millimeter to torque it down. And just as a little tip, as you lift the seat up to get the bolt in here and mount this to the truck so you can get your socket in there and have enough clearance, make sure you do that to the other side. Then you'll secure the actual seat to the bracket, and then the same thing on the other side. You do need to be able to lift the seat up a little bit to be able to get that socket in there to secure this to the body. Then we can take the one that they provide and put that into the riser. Just like that, everything's installed. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy they do go on. You only need a couple basic tools, and it took me less than 5 minutes. You don't need any extra help. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me below. And don't forget, I have links for everything in the description. But other than that, make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next build.